Hi, this is Dave Cohn with Emerald Trading Technologies. The following deck was presented on a TradeStation webinar on February 24th, 2016 on the XTremeAutoTrader product family. This first slide was a disclosure presented by TradeStation. I'll provide a few seconds for you to read through this disclosure, and then we'll get on to the main presentation. Hi, this is Dave Cohn with Emerald Trading Technologies. We're here to introduce the new XTremeAutoTrader product family just recently released on the TradeStation Trading App Store. XTremeAutoTrader is a family of related products which takes automated trading to the next level. But before I begin, I want to thank TradeStation for the opportunity to present and for their outstanding award-winning trading platform upon which XTremeAutoTrader is built. A bit of my background follows. My interest turned to computer modeling prior to graduating as an electrical engineer when I wrote my first major computer app to develop and test blackjack card counting systems. I did this around the same time as the MIT blackjack team described in the Kevin Spacey movie 21. Fortunately, or maybe unfortunately, I chose not to go to Vegas. Since then, I spent a career both writing code and managing engineers and IT professionals in projects ranging from computerized fluorescent light bulb manufacturing to startup ventures to computer-optimized design of dishwashers. During my first career, I worked for 3 Fortune 500 companies where I was trained in Six Sigma methods and acquired an executive MBA in patent. My second career began informally when I was bitten by the trading bug in 2002. In 2004, I began to use TradeStation for automated trading while I worked my day job. In 2009, I became a TradeStation Easy Language engineer, supporting the Easy Language support forum. Over about 5 years, I posted over 17,000 answers and built an extensive help system within the support forum. In 2014, I left TradeStation to pursue my lifelong dream of running my own company, Emerald Trading Technologies. Emerald Trading Technologies provides custom Easy Language development and general consulting. Emerald specializes in developing tools to enhance automated trading, such as XTremeAutoTrader, which we will next discuss. To understand what XTremeAutoTrader offers, we first need to understand two key capabilities offered by TradeStation: automated trading and radar screen. Automated trading is when a strategy running in a TradeStation chart on your PC automatically places orders to enter and exit and manages your position. No manual involvement is required on your part. The strategy rules, logic, algo, or plan are written using TradeStation's easy language. In order to trade using the strategy, it must first be inserted on a chart of the symbol you want to trade. Radar Screen offers real-time market scanning and alerting. Radar Screen allows you to monitor thousands of symbols in real time, updating with each trade. You can manually or automatically sort symbols which show the best indicator value for a trade setup. Once Radar Screen identifies the symbols you wish to trade, you must manually set up charts with strategies inserted on them to trade the symbols, as Radar Screen does not support automated trading. To understand XTremeAutoTrader, we will briefly introduce you to its forerunner, Radar AutoStrategies. Radar AutoStrategies joins two very powerful TradeStation capabilities: the real-time market scanning and alerting capability of Radar Screen with automated trading. Radar AutoStrategies drives automated trading from within Radar Screen, while also providing significant new trading capabilities unavailable to regular strategies. Radar AutoStrategies is not a trading strategy. It uses your trading strategies. Your trading strategy can be any regular TradeStation strategy, including built-in or custom strategies, complex strategies which may scale in and out, and even black box or proprietary strategies where you don't have the source code, such as those you may subscribe to on the Trading App Store. In summary, Radar AutoStrategies combines Radar Screen with automated trading to create significant new capabilities not found in either. So what alternatives are available to radar auto strategies? There may be products available which trade directly from radar screen. They require the strategy code be converted to a specialized indicator, which can then run from within radar screen. This approach has several significant shortcomings versus using regular TradeStation strategies. First shortcoming: the strategy code must be converted, which has a cost and where errors can be introduced. Second shortcoming: this does not support the highly iterative approach required to develop and live trade a strategy. Developing and live trading a strategy often requires the following 5 steps, which may be repeated many times. Step 1: code the strategy in easy language. Step 2: backtest the strategy on historical data to visually verify it works correctly. Step 3: optimize the strategy to improve the strategy performance. Then use walk-forward optimization to ensure you have not curve-fitted the optimized strategy and is likely to perform well in the future when live trading. And test how the strategy performs on a group or portfolio symbols using Portfolio Maestro. Step 4: live trade the strategy. A few clicks and a regular strategy converts from backtesting to live trading. No coding changes are required. Step 5: modify the strategy rules and repeat steps 1 through 4 until acceptable, consistent live trading profitability is reached. To summarize, only regular strategies robustly support this iterative approach with no code conversion. Returning to discussing shortcomings. The third shortcoming: regular strategies allow complex rules, scaling, and offer automated order and position management, which is not easily duplicated in modified code which runs in radar screen. The fourth shortcoming: XTremeAutoTrader and radar auto strategies offer significant additional capabilities, which may not be available with modified strategy code running in radar screen. These additional capabilities will be explained later. In summary, alternative approaches may be costly, error-prone, and give up many of the strengths offered by regular strategies. Radar auto strategies combines the strength of radar screen with the strength of regular strategies, and then goes beyond this. Radar auto strategies offers many important advantages over regular automated trading and radar screen, briefly summarized as follows. First is the protection against PC or network outages. Radar auto strategies issues OCO bracket orders to protect open positions with both a profit target and stop loss exit in the event of an outage. Regular automated trading strategies do not issue OCO bracket orders. Second is keeping your strategy on track. Radar auto strategies directly issues the orders eliminating strategy automation warning windows from popping up for strategy synchronization issues. Third, you can use any bar type and bar interval, including price-based bars such as Momentum and Renko, which are not available in radar screen. Fourth, you can automatically enter and exit positions within seconds of the market open and market close, even when using price-based bars. This helps avoid late entries and carrying overnight positions. Fifth is automated aggregation, where multiple strategies can trade the same symbol using different bar types and bar intervals. Radar auto strategy supports all type symbols for this, including equity or stock type symbols. Sixth is auto starting to automatically start trading symbols based on their radar screen sort position, indicator value, and time of day. This directly combines the market scanning capability radar screen with automated trading. Seventh is the easy to use yet very powerful single trading console for monitoring and controlling all of your automated trading strategies. So what does XTremeAutoTrader do? XTremeAutoTrader builds upon radar auto strategies. First, it allows a strategy to directly set and dynamically adjust to protective OCO exit bracket prices. And it goes way beyond this by allowing intelligent conversion of the OCO exit bracket profit limit order to a market order to force fills if the limit order does not fill immediately. These two features extend the OCO protective exit bracket from being a fail-safe to protect against outages to an integral part of the strategy operation. This offers some significant advantages, including increased profitability. Second, XTremeAutoTrader allows you to convert a regular strategy to pairs trading. This has been a long sought after feature. Third, XTremeAutoTrader allows you to convert a regular strategy to trade options. This also is another long sought after feature. Fourth, XTremeAutoTrader allows you to invert the trades of a regular strategy. Inverting means the actual trade is the opposite of the strategy trade. So if the strategy goes long, the actual trade is short, and vice versa. This feature is required to support pairs trading, but it offers value on its own. Inverted trading can be useful when the market conditions are different than what the strategy was originally designed for. Fifth, XTremeAutoTrader improves the trading console look and feel. Sixth, and lastly, it eliminates the need for radar screen. If you require the use of radar screen, the Radar Auto Strategies product family is available. In summary, XTremeAutoTrader is Radar Auto Strategies on steroids. XTremeAutoTrader provides state-of-the-art trading with great ease of use. We will next discuss each of the advantages offered by XTremeAutoTrader in greater detail. The first advantage, protection against PC or internet outages. Protection against outages is a key capability available in all versions of XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies. If you've ever been using an automated trading strategy, which was in the middle of a trade when your PC failed, or the network went down, you can relate to this guy. He's now in the dark and concerned about an open position. Before the outage, the market was moving in the right direction and the trade appeared as if it might close out with a profit. When the outage occurred, he desperately scrambled about for a minute or two, trying to get his PC quickly back online, and realized it was not going to work. So he called the trade desk to find out where his trade stood. He was told the market hit, and then pulled away from the profit target, and the trade was now in the red. He asked the trade desk to close out the trade for a loss. The question we now have is, could the strategy have been designed to take profit after the outage occurred, while still providing stop-loss protection in the event the price dropped? The answer is no. A regular automated strategy cannot maintain both stop-loss and profit target exit orders for an outage. A strategy can only maintain either a stop-loss or a profit target exit, but not both. And in order for the strategy to maintain an active stop-loss exit, the strategy must often run on each tick or trade. When a strategy runs on each tick, problems can emerge in fast markets where hundreds of trades can occur within a second, causing lagging strategy orders due to network delays and the PC becoming computationally overloaded processing all the trades. In summary, regular strategies can only provide limited protection against outages, and when doing so, you may experience lagging strategy orders in fast markets. Continuing from the prior slide, the OCO, or one cancels other exit bracket order, is designed to provide the protection he required. The OCO exit bracket contains both profit target and stop-loss exit orders bound together so that if either order fills, the other order is automatically canceled. The example on the left shows an OCO exit bracket order surrounding a long entry which filled at 100. The profit target exit order is at 100.08, while the stop-loss exit is at 99.94. So if the profit target exit is first hit and fills, the stop-loss exit order at 99.94 will be automatically canceled. The finishing touch is that since OCO exit bracket orders reside on a TradeStation order server, they remain active even during a PC or network outage. While regular TradeStation strategies do not issue OCO exit bracket orders, XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies do. So in the event of an outage, XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies limit the downside risk while providing the opportunity to automatically take profits. And XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies do not require the strategy to run in each price tick, so fast markets do not cause issues with PC computational overload or network lags. In summary, XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies provides robust protection against outages using OCO bracket orders. As with all computer hardware and software, they do not provide perfect protection, so we do not recommend using either with unattended trading. The second and third advantages. The strategy sets the OCO bracket prices and smart limit order fill. These advantages, which are only offered in XTremeAutoTrader, build upon the first advantage of protective OCO exit brackets. The OCO exit bracket is enhanced from only providing outage protection to becoming an integral part of the strategy operation. This is done by allowing the strategy to set and dynamically control the OCO exit bracket prices. So if an outage occurs, the profit or loss which occurs will be the strategy specified amounts. This also supports scalping type strategies, which make relatively small profits on each trade and typically depend upon precise limit order fill prices to be profitable. A key challenge for scalping type strategies, especially for high volume symbols, such as the E-mini or S&P 100 symbols, is when the limit order price is touched, but does not fill, because the price pulls away before your limit order has first priority to fill. This can turn a winning trade into a losing trade. XTremeAutoTrader offers a smart limit order fill capability to help address this problem. Smart limit order fill intelligently converts the OCO exit bracket limit orders to market orders to force fills to help prevent winning trades from becoming losing trades. 4 different methods for converting the limit order to a market order can be used in any combination. Method 1, time-based. Convert the limit order to a market order so many milliseconds after the limit price was first touched. If the time is set to 0, this creates a market at touch type order, which fills immediately when the limit price is touched. Method 2, price-based. Convert the limit order to a market order when the price pulls back from the limit price by so many ticks. Method 3, volume-based. Convert the limit order to a market order after so much trade volume has occurred at the limit price. And lastly, method 4, bid-ask activity-based. Convert the limit order to a market order after the ratio of the inside bid size to inside ask size has hit a certain value at the limit price. Note that when a strategy is not setting either the profit target or stop loss exit orders, default values are used so protective OCO exit brackets are always in place. This supports open-ended strategies, such as the moving average crossover, where the exit price is unknown until the next crossover occurs. In summary, the strategy setting the bracket prices, in combination with smart limit order fill, provides robust protection against outages while improving profitability. The fourth advantage, keeping your strategy on track. If you've used automated trading much, you may have experienced strategy automation warning windows popping up after data outages or other events. The warning windows prompt you to determine if orders should be canceled, or positions closed, or to go to the trade manager, or the strategy chart, or to do nothing. The warning windows may also be caused by your strategy getting out of sync with the real world or actual position. For example, after data outage, your strategy may think it should be long, yet the actual position is short. XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto strategies completely eliminate strategy automation warning windows and any associated strategy synchronization issues which may cause warning windows. XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto strategies do this by directly issuing the orders, rather than the strategy issuing the orders. The fifth and sixth advantages. Automatically trade intraday with any bar type and enter and exit at precise times. Price-based bars, such as Casey, Renko, Momentum, Range, 3-line break, KG, or point and figure, can be very powerful to use in automated trading. Price-based bars have the advantage of filtering out noise often seen in time-based bars, such as shown by comparing the 5-minute bar chart at the top of the image to the Renko bar chart at the bottom. However, they have the disadvantage that strategies can only run on the bar closes. Since price-based bars do not end at regular time intervals, this creates issues if you want to start trading shortly after the market open or exit any position to flat just before the market closes, so that you're not carrying a position overnight. Precise entry and exit times within seconds of the market open and close can also be an issue when using time-based bars. For example, if the strategy is using 30-minute bars, it can either exit 30 minutes before the market close or exit right at the market close. However, exit orders issued right at the market close often do not get to the exchange in time to be filled, so exits right at the market close are very unreliable. To correct for this requires that advanced coding methods be used, or 2 data streams can be used, with the first data stream being second space bars to allow exit near the market close. Alternatively, the strategy can run on each price tick, but this becomes computationally intensive. especially in high volume situations near the market close. XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies allows you to use any bar type, including price-based bars, and to automatically start trading a few seconds after the market or session open, and automatically stop trading and exit any position a few seconds before the market or session close. This allows you to experience the advantages of using price-based bars in automated trading, without the disadvantage of being unable to precisely control trading start and stop times, and potentially carrying unwanted overnight positions. The seventh advantage, automated aggregation. There can be significant advantages to having multiple strategies trading the same symbol at the same time, but using different bar types and bar intervals. There may be cases where it's desirable to use both price-based and time-based bars, or using multiple time-based bar intervals. However, you cannot mix price-based bars in the same chart as time-based bars, so there's no simple way you can develop a single strategy which trades a combination of price-based and time-based bars. Further, it is much simpler to develop, debug, and historically backtest separate strategies for each bar type and bar interval, versus the potentially very high complexity of combining multiple strategies into a single strategy. Lastly, it may also be desirable to be both long and short the same symbol at the same time. But you are not allowed to be both long and short the same symbol in a single account or in a single strategy trading on a single chart. In order to be both long and short requires two accounts, one for the long position and another for the short position. However, Tradestation does provide a way in which you can trade futures or forex symbols with strategies running on multiple charts to achieve the net effect of being both long and short the same symbol. The position of all the different strategies are combined, summed, or what is called aggregated, to arrive at the final position. For example, as shown in the image, you have three different strategy charts trading Cisco. On the first chart shown at the top, the position is 500 shares short, while on the second middle chart, the position is 200 shares short, and on the third bottom chart, the position is 600 shares long. The combined or aggregated position is then 100 shares short. However, aggregation is not offered for equity or stock symbols like Cisco. But XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies do allow you to aggregate positions for any symbol type, including equity symbols. And XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies aggregate automatically without any additional setup required. Also, XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies allow you to turn aggregation on or off for select charts. For example, you could turn off the middle chart with the 200 shares short position. The aggregate position would then immediately change from 100 shares short to 100 shares long. And the aggregated position enjoys all the XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies advantages, such as protection against outages, keeping track of the position, and entering or exiting at precise times for any bar type. In fact, all the XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies advantages accumulate. They can all be used together or in any combination desired for any strategy. The eighth advantage, auto starting. Some traders like to use Radar Screen to select the symbols they will trade. Radar Screen offers great power in being able to scan thousands of symbols in real time. Symbols can be quickly sorted by an indicator value displayed in one of the Radar Screen columns. This allows those symbols with the best relative trading setup to be rapidly selected from thousands of pure symbols. This relative approach to selecting symbols to trade can be very effective for some trading systems. Once the symbols to trade are identified, it would be very desirable to then quickly begin to automatically trade these symbols. This is one of the reasons that traders have requested the ability to automatically trade directly from Radar Screen. However, this requires setting up a chart for each symbol to trade. The challenge can be the time and complexity to quickly setting up automated trading if there are very many symbols to trade, or if different strategies or bar types and bar intervals are used for different symbols. Radar Auto Strategies offers a solution to this problem by automatically starting symbols to trade based on their setup indicator sort position in Radar Screen, setup indicator value, and the time of the day. XTremeAutoTrader offers the same auto starting capabilities without using Radar Screen, but it does not dynamically display the symbols sorted by the setup indicator value. For example, say you want to automatically start trading 10 S&P 500 symbols, which have the highest RSI value between 30 and 70, beginning at 9:45 a.m. each morning. Radar Auto Strategies can do this. XTremeAutoTrader can do the same thing, but is limited to 100 symbols. And XTremeAutoTrader requires a setup indicator be custom coded, where Radar Auto Strategies can use most any indicator with little or no customization. In summary, auto starting with XTremeAutoTrader and Radar Auto Strategies may represent the ultimate integration of radar screen and automated trading capabilities. Auto starting is the one place where Radar Auto Strategies has stronger capabilities than XTremeAutoTrader. The 9th, 10th, and 11th advantages: surrogate, inverted, and pairs trading. These advantages are only offered in XTremeAutoTrader. We will first discuss surrogate and inverted trading, which can be very useful in their own right. They are also building block capabilities for pairs trading. Note these capabilities default to being unavailable for any trading app store strategy. If a trading app store strategy developer desires to allow their strategy to be used with these capabilities, they need to contact me. First, we discuss surrogate trading. Surrogate trading is where a different symbol, the surrogate symbol, is traded in place of the chart symbol. For example, while the strategy is trading IBM, the actual trades are using GE. You can also mix symbol types. For example, while the strategy is trading IBM, the actual trades are using EURUSD, which is a Forex symbol. On to inverted trading. Inverted trading means the actual position is the inverse or the opposite of the strategy position. So when the strategy goes long, the actual position goes short, and when the strategy goes short, the actual position goes long. Inverted trading can be useful for when market conditions are different than what the strategy was originally designed for. Now on to pairs trading. For those of you unfamiliar with pairs trading typically means trading two symbols at the same time in place of trading a single symbol. One symbol is traded long while the other symbol is traded short to take advantage of the spread between the symbols. A pairs trade is constructed using both surrogate and inverted trading. For either surrogate or pairs trading, protective OCO exit brackets are available for the surrogate or pairs symbols, but the strategy does not set the OCO exit bracket prices. In summary, surrogate, inverted, and pairs trading are long desired features which are now available for regular strategy with just a few clicks. The 12th advantage, options trading. This advantage or feature is only available in XTremeAutoTrader. Like for pairs trading, these capabilities default to being unavailable for any trading app store strategy. If a trading app store strategy developer desires to allow their strategy to be used with these capabilities, they need to contact me. XTremeAutoTrader allows you to trade options in place of the underlying symbol. Call options are issued in place of going long for the underlying symbol, and put options are issued in place of going short for the underlying symbol. You can also invert the trading, so the call options are issued in place of short trades, and put options are issued in place of long trades. You can specify the number of strikes out from the current price and the number of weeks out from the nearest weekly expiration date to use for options. The default is the at-the-money strike for the nearest expiration date. Several things to note. Only weekly equity options are currently available. Lastly, protective OCO exit brackets are available for the option symbols, but the strategy does not set the bracket prices. In summary, options trading is a long-desired feature which is now available for a regular strategy with just a few clicks. The 13th advantage, power with ease of use. XTremeAutoTrader offers an easy-to-use trading console and interactive forum to control how it operates. It also offers some standard inputs for those who prefer to work that way. After we next explain how to subscribe to XTremeAutoTrader on the Trading App Store and then launch it on your TradeStation platform, we will provide a live demonstration of XTremeAutoTrader to show its operation and ease of use. We will next show you how to subscribe to XTremeAutoTrader on the TradeStation Trading App Store. Step 1. Select the XTremeAutoTrader product which is right for you. XTremeAutoTrader is not a single product, but rather a family of related products as shown in the table. So before you subscribe, you need to determine which XTremeAutoTrader product you require. Along the leftmost column of the table, we see the version, starting with the basic at the top and ending with the advanced version at the bottom. In the second leftmost column, we see the number symbols you are allowed to trade. The number symbols you can trade range from a single symbol for the basic version up to 100 symbols for the advanced version. Note how the plus versions, such as Basic Plus, Smart Fill Plus, Options Plus, and Pairs Plus, typically increase the number of symbols and also tend to add functionality. For example, the basic version only allows trading one symbol, while the Basic Plus version allows trading 5 symbols, and adds the features allowing use of non-time-based bars or price-based bars, and the strategy setting the bracket prices. Note that all products offer the basic features of working with any regular strategy and protective OCO exit brackets. As you go down on the table towards the advanced product, both the number of symbols you can trade and the number of features increases. The intermediate plus, and advanced versions support all the features and only vary in the number of symbols you're allowed to trade. Lastly, all the versions allow 30-day free trials. Continuing with how to subscribe to XTremeAutoTrader. Steps 2 and 3. Enter Tradestation.com into your browser bar to go to the Tradestation website. Once you're at the Tradestation website, then click on the Trading App Store as shown in the image. Steps 4 and 5. After clicking on Trading App Store, a web page will appear as shown. Enter XTremeAutoTrader in the search field and then click on the magnifying glass as shown in the image. Step 6. A web page will appear as shown displaying the products in the XTremeAutoTrader family. Click on Free Trial of the XTremeAutoTrader product that you want to use. Step 7. If you've not already signed in, then you will see the window pop up as shown in the image. If you are a client, then click on Login. Else, click on Open an Account. Step 8. Enter your username and password to sign in. You may also have to respond to additional security questions after this. Step 9. A web page should appear showing you the product you are going to trial, the trial length, and disclosures, and an agreement you should read. Then click on I agree and click on the Start Trial button to start the trial. Note that when the free trial expires, you are not automatically enrolled in the monthly pay subscription. Step 10. You may need to wait for several minutes while the workspace and associated files for XTremeAutoTrader are automatically downloaded to your Tradestation platform. You may see a faint image at the top of your screen indicating this download is occurring. After several minutes, a window should appear in Tradestation prompting you to launch XTremeAutoTrader. If this does not happen, to force the window to display, select from the top menu of your Tradestation platform, View, and then Trading App Store Updates. Step 11. When the Trading App Store window appears, click on the Trials tab and then click on the Launch button to start the XTremeAutoTrader free trial. Note the Subscribe button to the left of the Launch button can be clicked at any time during or after the free trial to convert to a monthly paid subscription. If you do not see the XTremeAutoTrader product Launch button, then log out of Tradestation, wait a few minutes, and log back in and repeat steps 10 and 11. If you are able to successfully launch the XTremeAutoTrader free trial, do not attempt to start up XTremeAutoTrader until you complete the next step outlined in the next slide. Step 12. As soon as you complete the agreement and start the free trial in Step 9, I will receive an email. I will then send you an email with several files attached. In order for XTremeAutoTrader to successfully run, you must complete 2 steps. which are easy and quick to do. Step 1. Download and import the attached ELD file into your TradeStation platform. The ELD file contains a protected indicator, meaning you cannot see its content. Its content is protected in order to keep XTremeAutoTrader proprietary. Step 2. Click on the link to download the global variable DLL file to your PC. Then copy this file to your TradeStation program folder. The link is required because many email systems block DLL files. The global variable DLL was developed by TradeStation and is widely available. It allows TradeStation programs to communicate with each other. The user manual, which is also attached, provides detailed instructions on how to do both steps above. These additional steps are required to enable some of the advanced capability provided by XTremeAutoTrader to work within the exceptionally strong security of the Trading App Store environment. They do not diminish the security of the Trading App Store environment, your PC, or TradeStation. Thank you for your review of the XTremeAutoTrader presentation. XTremeAutoTrader will take your automated trading to the next level. For examples of XTremeAutoTrader doing live trading and how to set up and run XTremeAutoTrader, please visit Emerald Trading Technologies' YouTube channel by clicking on the link shown. Thank you.